Welcome to Hornby Island. This is Tribune Bay Provincial Park. Come with me. Let's explore the little Hawaii of Canada. Ma'am, masa kay masih mustarik ba itong kuan eh? Sa Bisika Soho. We're here at the beachfront of Tribune Bay, Hornby Island. Present are coming from different provinces of Canada. Yeah, sure. Let's compare Nanos Bay and Horn Bay shells. What's this? Oh yeah, jellyfish. Let's see. Panabe? O mapasara man yung nagkapsiwa ng panginhas?
Who wants to order?
Oh wow.
Can you hear that?
Hindi ka ba? Ito?
Who wants to order?
Katoon na sila na. Master naman tayo ni less than 24 hours.
Keep it.
Ate. Ate.
Okay, mamati.
Ano ba? Di ba hagbong ba? Kaya mo manginasay dia. Import naman eh.
Sa Sagbayan District.
Tagpilay jahong na ma'am. Here at the Buckley Bay, Buckley Ferry Terminal. So heading to Denman Island. Atong ka-convoy sa padong sa Denman Island. Hornby Island, a Co-op gas bar and Co-op stores here around the area. Further also is the Tribune Beach.